If you want to protect your hearing from loud noises, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. There are a lot of reasons you might be exposed to loud noise. Man, I have worked in auto body shops, on homes, mowing lawns, doing construction, whatever. You can probably find a reason for needing this. Just a riding lawnmower could be a good reason. Cutting wood with a chainsaw. Maybe you go to the firing range. Whatever it is, your hearing is very important to you, and it can only take so much abuse before you will start to suffer from permanent hearing loss. So I picked this up. It's by Mpow, and they are ear muffs. And what you can see here is that they are a 2-pack. And what I'm really interested in is how well they work. So it says noise reduction to 28 decibels. And I think that could be pretty low. Now, it also says SNR 34 decibels, so I'm not totally sure what that means. But I do want to show you here that it is a 2-pack. So you do get 2 sets of earphones, which is great. And you also get 2 little drawstring pouches right there. So you and someone important to you can also save their hearing. Now, I thought I would test this in a very non-scientific way and make a lot of loud noises and just see what my thoughts are here. Now, they are inexpensive for this 2-pack, and one of the reasons that I wanted to try that out is because there are electronic earmuffs that work pretty well, but they're very expensive. $60, $70, $90, $150. So you can spend a lot to get ear protection. And I thought, for 20 or 30 bucks, 2 sets of ear pro, if they work well, is a really good value. Now, there's nothing overly nice about it. I will say they are really light because of the way they're constructed. That's actually a huge advantage, especially if you're going to wear them for a long time. But everything is plastic, including the headband here. This is like a vinyl. I mean, I wouldn't even call it a PU leather or anything like that. And the cushioning here is made up by this little accordion shape to it. So it should be pretty comfortable. You do have a wire bracket right there. And I think these are just noise isolating. There's no active feature on there. You're not going to have to buy batteries or anything like that. You have little vinyl ear cups, and then you can see then the inside of the cups are filled with foam. And I'm going to see here, the way you extend these basically is down here. So this little metal bracket is where you get to adjust these. So I'm just going to put it over my giant head. Oh, there we go. And if they fit me, they'll fit anyone. I tell you what, I just got isolated from everything. So I have the air conditioner over there. I've got some running water over there. And now I'm just in silence. I might actually go a little crazy if I haven't already. But hey, I thought I'd give these things the once over try. And I tell you what, I was trying to figure out how to make a lot of noise. And I grabbed this pan and I grabbed the spoon. It's kind of like a serving ladle. And I banged it together and it hurt my ears. Bad enough that I thought, well, I'll try it with these on and see if I hear them again. Now, if I bang this on here, not only does it create a lot of noise, but my neighbors might call the cops because they think they're shooting or something going on. But I'm just going to hit this and see what I think of the noise reduction. Woo. All right, I'll tell you, man, when I was banging this around, it's freaking loud. And oh, geez. Okay, without the earmuffs on, dude, that actually hurt my ears. And I will tell you what, it just kind of sounds like using a metal sledgehammer on a wooden stake. It's really like a dull thud. So I tell you what, if you're using these for harsh environments, and on the box here, it's got a bunch of icons, shooting, construction, yard work, industry, studying, racing, music, travel. I tell you what, you don't even need to have loud noises. If you take these things to the library, you're just isolating yourself from all the little noise. Sometimes when it's really quiet, even the small noises are really annoying. People rustling through paper, highlighting, burping, whatever. So I'll tell you what, I'm impressed with this. This 2-pack is a great value. These things do work. I love it. If you need a pair of noise isolating muffs, I would highly recommend them. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.